Merle's laugh, rough as gravel. Dale stealing one more glance my way. Dale talking like an angel in a world that went insane. We got a camp in the carnage, in the dark. Carl Grimes watching the tree line. Rick Grimes guarding every heart. Carol stirred, holding the silence. Bullet in the sparks, blades of bullets. Everyone's here and we're fighting like a work of art. Everyone's here and we're fighting like a work of art. My brother Carl cracks a quiet joke. Carol hands me half a smoke. Daryl's hands are never still, sharp and still and hidden will. My Derek walks by, eyes like storm. Says we live, that's what we do. I touch his shoulder, feel it warm. Think I'd die right here with you. We got a camp in the carnage. We got a fire in the dark. Carl Grimes watching the tree line. Rick Grimes guarding every heart. Carol stirring in the silence. Blades and bullets and sparks. In the apocalypse, everyone's here and we're fighting like a work of art. We don't break, we don't bow. Are we scared? Yeah, but look at us now. We don't break, we don't bow. Are we scared? Yeah, but look at us now. Maggie, Merle, Daryl, Dell, and Carl, and Rick, and Carol. Say my name over the noise. We're still here. We still got joy. We got a camp in the carnage. We got a fire.